Alright, y'all. Stadium truck, amen.
The tone in less than 5.
Oh, a little cluster over there. Damn, that killed Grizz.
Rich in first place, Tyson second, Rich in third, Presley, then Bill, then Mike.
Yeah, Eli and Tony had a good little battle at the end of that truggy race there. Eli took the 1, Tony in the 2, me in the 3. And I think Chen was running a different kind of car, so he's in his own class. He's all by himself, first place. And he does that like every week, so I guess you can't lose that way, huh? I got this and then the e-buggy. And then we're done. There was only 4 races today, so.
Tyson and Grizzly. And Rich. Bill. Rich. And comes Mike Rubin.
You're not going to fuck with
Grizzly pulled out in front, Tyson.
Damn, Grizz took the front. He got bumped to damn near next to last. Back out front. Dude's a beast. Oh, got overtaken. Got a battle for the 1-2. I'm pretty happy the Truggy was able to get over this hop up. It's gonna make things a lot easier in the future. Motor is definitely powerful. It's extremely touchy though. I like the power. I need that. Had a couple mistakes, but I'll be alright. Not getting no more stickers, ain't getting no trophies, ain't getting no pictures, so it don't matter. Just for shits and giggles at this point. Got 1, 2. Here's your 3. Mike Louie. Oh, jinxed him. You're alright, Mike. You look like me out there, bro. We keep it up, they're gonna put us back in sportsman. I wonder if they could do that. Y'all not good enough. Go back to Sportsman. Give me a little pose for the camera and shit.
Oh, Grizzly pulling out.
Go Grizz taking the one again.